What we're going to be working on today is we're going to be making an Angular CLI project called OpenDJRadio. Let me show you how this is going to work here on the Google Drive. Oops, I wanted to do the other one. This one. Okay, and we're going to create a new diagram here, and this is going to be called OpenDJRadio. Unfortunately, song requests are going to be offline today because of the good morning, sad software. There you can see HHZ is running. We got it working again. So let's go ahead and put a vote in here for R. So in this drawing app, what I want to do is I'm going to show here that we are going to have over here a user, and the user is going to be interacting with which is what we're going to call our Angular CLI app, which is called OpenDJRadio. And this is going to be done through a browser. So we'll add a text box here and just say that this is a browser. Okay, like this. And then we need to draw the connector lines like that. And then I'm imagining we can tell it that we want this to be double-sided. Like that. Now, the next piece is that we need to have a backend here. So we're going to design that with a new app here, and we can give this a dotted line here to signify our front end and back end of this app. So over here, we're going to say that this is the front end. Okay. And then also over here on the back end, this is going to be a ASP.NET Core Web API project called OpenDJRadio.backend. And we're going to have these two connected like that. And then also we're going to need to have a database, which will be down over here, which is going to be called my OpenDJRadio DB. We'll add this one in. By the way, rewards are also up, sad software. You can check to see how many zombie flowers you have by just doing an HHZ. Okay, and we're going to connect this one again to there. Also, we need to make sure that my backend is connected to this other application which we have down here called my Pixel Horror Studios Identity Server, which will be phs.identity. And we want this to communicate here as well for authorization with our users. And that's pretty much it for the app. So what's going to be happening in our individual app is that our browser here is going to be connected to a couple of different resources. We also want to duplicate this, and we'll make another resource up here called YouTube. And then we want to include that this here is connected by Web API. We also want to say Signal R and Signal R Hub. Okay. Get your votes in here. So we're going to have that this side is going to communicate to YouTube and our Pixel Horror Studios backend like that. And then also we want this to connect to YouTube. And my browser app is also going to be connected to YouTube. So we end up with something like this. And I think that this should be what we are creating. And we're going to go ahead and move this over on the back end. Meme Vessel asks, what is it that I'm voting for? So if you look on screen, we have this new overlay, and we have 5 letters down there, and we're voting for letters of what would be in the word. So we're voting for a common English word. So this is our creation that we're going to be making today.